Hello everybody, my name is George Najera and I want to welcome you to this lovely Anaheim house located in the northwest side of Anaheim, 2283 Falmouth Avenue in Anaheim. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,222 square foot home with the good sized lot of 6,300 square feet. This home is situated in the ideal place. Not only do you have access to the 5 freeway when you come out of the neighborhood, but you have access to the 91 freeway. There's a big golf course about a mile away, and guess what? Disneyland's only 3.5 miles away, in downtown Disney, where all the shopping, you can do all the shopping and all the eating you can do with those restaurants out there. Ideal place in a nice, quiet home. Let me welcome you into the home. As we come in, you'll notice that the house has been upgraded with tile floor, high beam ceilings, windows have been upgraded, fresh new paint that was just recently done in the house. If we go around to the corner, we have the dining area. And guess what? There's an actual bonus room in the house. If you like to peek through, you can make that your office. Considering nowadays everyone's looking for space, working from home, this would be an ideal bedroom, or you can make this your own separate private office and work from home. How about that? Privacy while your family and your kids have fun inside the house. Follow me through. Let me show you the kitchen. As we go through the kitchen, you'll notice the kitchen has been upgraded with stainless steel appliances. You have granite countertops, recently upgraded. You have a small little eating area. And you have an extra sink should you need to do anything else when you're mopping or cleaning. Okay, why don't I show you the bedrooms now? As we walk down the hallway, we'll take a peek at bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 has updated wood flooring and high beam ceilings. We have bedroom number 2, also with upgraded flooring, high beam ceilings, custom paint. Okay. We have bathroom number 2, which has been updated. Attention to details. You have excellent tile work, not only out here, but in the shower. Recently retouched, ready for your use. Now let me take you down the hallway to the second restroom. This restroom was recently updated by the homeowners. As you can see, you have nice tile work, not only out here, but also in the shower. Recently updated, ready for your use. And last but not least, we have bedroom number 3. Tile flooring, high ceilings, very bright and airy. Very comfortable. Good sized bedrooms. Ready for you to move in. So please, I encourage you, if you are interested, reach out to me. This house is not going to last in this market. Thank you.